Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I thought I would sit down and share with you some of my favorite products that I've been using and loving this month. So I have body products, I have hair products, makeup, just everything that I have been using so much this month. So first off, let's get into makeup products. Now, some of these products I have done reviews on, others I've kind of featured them in my most recent videos, but I definitely wanted to share with you guys what I have been liking and what I haven't been liking so much. Now, first off, I obviously love Charlotte Tilbury. I have reviewed some of her products that she's recently come out with the past month, and they have definitely been on point. But something that I've really been enjoying is her Pillow Talk blush and also the eyeshadow palette. This palette is so gorgeous. I feel like I can wear it on a day-to-day basis. I can use, one color or use the entire palette, and the blush is so beautiful. It kind of adds just a pop of pink to your cheeks. It definitely goes with the Pillow Talk lipstick, which is one of my favorites. So I definitely have been enjoying this collection. Now, since we've started with Charlotte Tilbury, I figured I need to definitely let you guys know about this foundation and what I've been thinking about it. Now, as you know, if you've watched my foundation review for this Airbrush Flawless foundation, it was quite light on me, but I ended up giving this foundation to my mom. I felt like the color matched her perfectly and she has been loving it. I think the skincare benefits for this foundation definitely are apparent. She also has drier skin, so she feels that this one definitely gave her more of a moisturized type of skin, and she really has been loving it. Now, moving on with the foundations that I've been trying out this month, I definitely feel like I've been grabbing the Guerlain foundation quite often this month. I feel like it gives you a medium coverage, which is perfect for a day-to-day type of foundation. It hasn't broken me out. I feel like, if anything, it has reduced some of the redness around my face, so I definitely have been loving this. I didn't think I would like it as much. I do have it on right now, and I feel like it's such a beautiful foundation, but definitely one of my favorites this month. Now, as for the Smashbox foundation, I definitely feel like I haven't been grabbing this so much. I feel like this is such high coverage that it would be more suited for a night out or kind of an event where I do want more coverage, but for a day-to-day type of kind of look, I definitely have been grabbing the Guerlain foundation. Okay, so let's get into skincare. If you guys watch my videos, you know how much I love skincare. I do love makeup, but I don't apply makeup every single day. If I apply makeup, usually it's very minimal and kind of a natural look. I have purchased the Drunk Elephant Lala Whipped Cream Moisturizer. I felt like I wanted a more intense moisturizer for the fall and winter season to come, and this has been very beautiful. It still does come with a pump, just like the Protini, which I love. Something else that is my favorite, this has been a long time favorite, actually for about a year, but I definitely felt like I wanted to share this with you guys because I don't feel like I have shared it. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue Cream. This cream is definitely like magic. I don't know what it is about this eye cream. I don't know if it's the retinol that's in there, but this cream is beautiful. This is my second bottle. I love it. It really definitely depuffs my under eye area. It is on the expensive side, but you do get quite a lot of product in there, especially since you only have to use just a little bit underneath your eyes. I apply this every night before bedtime and love it. So Kylie Jenner did come out with a Kylie Skin collection. She also came out with skincare that I have not tried, but I did get my hands on the Kylie Skin lotion as well as the body scrub, and let me tell you, I really have been liking these products. They smell like summer in a bottle. I really like the lotion. I'm kind of like halfway through it. I use this every single day, multiple times in a day. I have it right next to my sink, and literally every time I walk past, I just pump a couple of this all over. I really love it. It's quite nice. It's nice as a hand cream. That's what usually predominantly I've been using it for. And then this coconut body scrub is very beautiful. I like that it's not in a tub. I really like the consistency of this, and it's very nice. It smells really good too. Just when I'm in the shower, I apply this, and I feel like it definitely helps with any dead skin cells, and it smells very beautiful and it makes your skin feel very butter soft. I have recently purchased the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask, and what made me really want to get this is I saw a YouTube video of how they make this mask, and they actually put real watermelons in here, which I thought was so amazing. Usually when they apply any kind of fruits in products, you would think that it's like an essence of that fruit. It's not the actual fruit itself, but I really enjoyed watching the video of how they make this product, and I was interested in trying it. Now, the mask itself is really interesting. It's kind of goopy, and it applies on very beautifully. It gives such a nice cooling sensation. It smells like watermelon, and actually it smells like cucumbers as well. It's very pretty and interesting. It really hydrates your face. I feel like when I apply this mask, it really makes my skin feel butter soft. It's a very interesting and nice mask. I highly recommend it to you guys. But I do really enjoy applying masks, and during the fall and winter months, I like to apply more hydrating masks because I do have a drier skin. But I've really been enjoying this Summer Fridays Jet Lag mask. It's very beautiful. What I've been applying it as is a night moisturizer. I do apply the Drunk Elephant products kind of in the morning. I apply the serums at night, and then I top it off with this mask, and I feel like it's been a very good moisturizer. Now, there's been a lot of hype around the Breogeo products. Last year I did try the Don't Despair Repair shampoo and conditioner, but I have to say it wasn't my favorite. I definitely still felt that Moroccan oil is by far my favorite for my hair. I have been eyeing out the Be Gentle, Be Kind product range from Breogeo, and when I smelled the banana, it smelled too good to pass up on. I purchased it and I've tried it. It is such a good shampoo and conditioner. Obviously you can see I'm almost out of the conditioner. Does this happen to you guys where you use your conditioner much more quicker than you use your shampoo? I bought these literally together and I'm almost out of my conditioner, and I'm not even halfway through my shampoo. So usually I end up using twice as much conditioner, so I need 2 bottles of the conditioner to 1 shampoo bottle. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but it always happens to me. This shampoo and conditioner is like heaven in a bottle. It makes your hair feel so soft, and it gives it that shine. Like, I've been using it every single day. Usually I interchange between shampoos throughout the month, but I haven't. I've just been using this one and I've been loving it so much. I think once I'm done with this one, I really want to try the apple one as well. I did smell the apple one, but I love the banana one so much that I wanted to try this one out first, and I definitely don't regret it. But next time I'm definitely going to purchase the apple one and try that out. But definitely I highly recommend this one to you guys. Since I loved that shampoo and conditioner so much, Breogeo recently came out with a little teddy bear mask for your hair. Now this is basically the same formula as the Don't Despair Repair that you usually get in a little tub, but it smells like honey. So I have been loving this. I've been applying it once to twice a week, and it's been beautiful, and it looks really pretty in my shower. All right, and that's it for my favorites this month. If you guys like watching these kind of videos and want me to continue doing them every single month, make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know, and I'll continue doing them for you guys. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. And this is the Glow Recipe watermelon